I worked with Teresa in setting up this breakout activity focused on digital citizenship, because middle school students are really hitting that age where they have their social lives kind of taking over, and they have all these social media accounts and they have all of these digital devices, but they don't necessarily know how to manage those in appropriate ways.
The reason that I wanted to do the breakout activity in ELA class, because our first unit is reading closely for textual evidence, and this fits in perfectly. Some of the things we looked for were grammar issues, spelling issues, so that was a good addition.
Some of the challenges were trying to figure out what the combinations were and trying to figure out like what order they go in, or like how many like numbers or what numbers or letters or what they are.
It was really fun, but it was also really tricky because a lot of the times we'd be like, oh wait, this is the clue, but then we'd be like, it's not the right answer, or we figured it out wrong.
Our group, we were trying to go so fast that we miscounted a few times, and we were wondering why it wasn't working, and it was because we counted wrong.
Especially in 7th grade on collaboration, so working together, even if it's not with your best friends, communication skills, perseverance, because a lot of them don't have it right now especially.
I liked working with my friends and in my group. Like, I don't really like usually working in a group, but it was fun. I could do it with my friends and people I could cooperate with.
At first, it was like we couldn't work together because we were all on separate pages. We all combined our thoughts on like one, so we started on Instascam.
It took a lot of teamwork, so I didn't have to do it by myself, and it was just fun going as quick as we could to get out.
A couple things I learned from this is that teamwork is really good, because when you're doing it by yourself, it's kind of hard, but when you do it with people, you get to like, one person does this, you get to split it up kind of.
Some of the things I liked about the breakout was that I get to work with people that like I liked working with.
Locks are hard. They're really, really hard.
It was fun because you had to like learn the clues, and I liked how the clues were like, they weren't easy to find, but they were easy enough, and it helped your brain.